Happy St. Patrick's Day. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Today is a fun and festive St. Patrick's Day look. So I wanted to still keep it cute and glam and fun and festive for St. Patrick's Day. So enjoy the video and watch how I create this glitter cut crease and glitter lip. Enjoy the video. Already done my brows. So now I'm going to get to the eyeshadow. So for the eyes, I'm going to use my new Morphe palette I just received in my BoxyCharm. This is the 15D Day Slayer palette. I'm going to keep the eyelid like something simple, just so my cut crease will pop. I'm going to use the color, I'm going to start with Editor. Using my Luxie 229 tapered blending brush. And this is my first time actually using it. I've just done swatches on it. Really nice crease color, actually. Nice transition color. And I'm just going to use that. I'm just going to use it all over my lid. Now for the glitter cut crease, I'm just going to leave this like this. So the glitter cut crease, I'm going to use, let's see, yeah, I'm just going to use this green glitter I got from Walmart. It's mixed with green and gold. It's called Emerald, and that is the brand. I'm just going to apply that with a striper brush and the Kiss strip lash adhesive so it can stay in the crease. I usually start it with my eyes open because I have hooded eyes. Just extending that out. And now I'm going to do the same for the eyeliner. Okay, I already done the other eye. Now, well, I already put my concealer under my eye that I usually do before I do under my eyes. So I did the Revolution Conceal and Define in 12.5. So now time to do the eyeshadows under the eye. I'm going to use the same color from my Morphe palette editor that I use all over my lid. Now using the Afrique by Juvias palette. Use this Gold Color Kofi. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. I usually like to use these for my highlight shades. So what I'm going to use to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone. Let's see which color. Raise. I'm going to use this color. This is a pretty palette. I love it for highlights. It's really pretty for highlights. Apply with my Luxie lip brush. The mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This that I just recently got in my Boxy Luxe. This is the Lilly lashes, the limited edition lashes, and this is in the style Gaia. Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Butter Pecan. Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in Banana.
I'm going to use my Moda powder brush. Set the rest of my face with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder and Matte Tan. Ooh, this brush is so soft. So soft and fluffy. Contour powder, my Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Ebony. Using my e.l.f. contour brush. I'm going to use my mini Luxie round brush to contour the nose with the powder. Blush, I'm going to use my Wonder Beauty Wanderess Dusk to Dawn palette. I'm going to use Havana Nights. I did with my Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the same color in this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 3 palette. I'm going to use Rays. So I'm going to use my Cover FX glitter drops. I'm going to apply that to my lips. Alright guys, this is the completed look of my St. Patrick's Day glam. I wanted something this cute and festive. So this is my completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Support your girl if you haven't already. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed. Bye.